Did you know that air filters only catch part of the dirt and pollutants in the air? They capture about 35%, but the other 65% still floats around in your home. That's why we need other helpers, like UV light, to clean the air. Even better, the air from your home is pulled through your filter as it's sucked through some dirt, still sneaks by. The filter is imperfect and doesn't sit flat in the return grill due to uneven screws. If the filter gets too dirty, some air will take a shortcut and bypass the filter, allowing unfiltered air into your home. Here's what happens when air takes the shortcut. You can see dust buildup around the gill edges where the filter rests. This means that dirt is sneaking into your home, making the air dirty. You can see dirty spots around the screws, filter location. Dust and dirt are getting through, which can cause problems with the air conditioning. Bad stuff, like mold spores, can grow here because dirty, moist air went through the system without being filtered properly. This can lead to dirty bacteria, water condensating from the air conditioning coil, 10 clogging to the drain lines, then backing up, filling up the attic drain pan. The dirty water will not exit properly, but back up and eventually overflow your attic drain pan. This water from the air conditioning system can overflow the drain pan's capacity and leak through the ceiling, cause big messes. This can ruin your ceiling, floor, furniture, and make your home all wet and gross smelling. Bacteria, mold spores, and many other microbes can make people sick in the winter. The air is full of unhealthy microbes and mold spores and dirt. And the furnace heat is like fertilizer to dirt. Remember, air filters aren't perfect. They only stop a part of the dirt to keep our homes clean and healthy, and to have less problems with our air conditioner and drain clogs. We need to use things like UV light and air purifiers. Regularly change our filters